Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tours and Journey. This is the second episode of the Kerala series. Today we are exploring the charming city of Kochi, which is situated on the southwest coast of India. In this video, we are going to tell you about the 4 things to do in Kochi. The first would be why to visit Kochi, how to get here, things to do and places to visit. Here we are at Kochi metro station. It is well connected and a great mode of transport in Kochi. Today, our first attraction is Lulu Mall. Lulu Mall is the largest mall in India regarding total retail space of 1.7 million square feet. Situated in Edapalli, Kochi, the mall sprawls over an extensive area of 17 acres with 215 outlets of restaurants, multiplex, food courts, entertainment zones, bowling alley, money exchange centers, arcade games, and 5D cinema. It is a leading tourist attraction in Kochi. Now we are heading to the next attraction, that is Hill Palace Museum. Located at Tripunithura, the Hill Palace is the largest archaeological museum in Kerala. It was built in the year 1865 and was once the imperial administrative offices and official residence of the Maharaja of Cochin. Just as the name suggests, the massive palace is located on a hill and has a beautiful garden. The complex has an archaeological museum, a heritage museum, a deer park, a prehistoric park, and a children's park. The huge white colored buildings are neat, clean, and well maintained. The terraced lawn, ponds, and fountain are perfect for outdoor photography. The palace is also famous for being the backdrop of various movies. Other than the metro, you can also use these modes to travel from place to place. You can rent a bike or a car, or you can call an Ola or Uber, or there's a bus service as well. As we are in a coastal city, how can we miss a boat ride? So let's move on. A boat ride in backwater at Marine Drive. Overlooking the serene backwaters of Kerala is Marine Drive, one of the most popular hangout spots in the city of Kochi. The backdrop of this place is the backwaters, with ships anchored at the harbour and that interest the tourists even more. The best thing about Marine Drive is that it is well maintained and cleaned properly and also has sitting arrangements for the visitors. The construction of the Rainbow Bridge and the Chinese fishing net bridge has enhanced the beauty of the Marine Drive even more. There is also a children's park built near the Marine Drive, which is especially delightful for your little ones. After taking a boat ride, how can we miss Fort Kochi beach, right? So, situated along Fort Kochi, it is a tranquil beach adjoining the Arabian Sea. Lined with a beautiful sidewalk, the beach also has a fort to boast of, which is also a major tourist attraction of the spot. People usually visit it for routinely morning and evening walks or just to spend some quality time in solitude. We got to know about the special fishing net that is used by the fishermen over here in Kochi as well as overall Kerala. These are Chinese fishing nets, also known as Chinawala, These are held by the huge 10-meter or longer mechanical structures. However, these nets are mostly found in the city of Kochi and Kollam in India. Now we are heading to the Mattancherry Palace, popularly known as the Dutch Palace. The Mattancherry Palace is a Portuguese palace in Mattancherry, Kochi. It is now a museum displaying the belongings of the Rajas of Kochi. Visit this destination to learn about the fascinating history of Kerala through the medium of irreplaceable artifacts and embellishments. If you are traveling by air, the nearest airport is Cochin International Airport. However, if you are taking a train to reach here, the nearest railway station is Ernakulam South Railway Station. You can also take up roadways to come here as the national highways are very well connected. Another mode to visit Kochi is by the ferry. It connects the island to the town. The ferry loads the people as well as the vehicle if you need to travel with it. To enjoy the beautiful sea and the soothing sound of the waves, you should definitely try the ferry. Keep watching, the series continues. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.